Hai semua, hi everyone. It's Zarina again, your Malay language trainer as always. Apa khabar? I would like to take this opportunity to invite everyone who really wants to speak Malay fluently to attend my online group class for Conversational Malay. The class is for beginner level starting from June 2023. You could choose either on Sunday or Monday, and the class starts at 9 p.m. for an hour and 30 minutes Malaysia time. The fee will be only 100 ringgit per month for 4 classes, and if you are a beginner of Malay with these criteria, speaks basic English, knows none or some knowledge of Malay words, unable to make sentences, and does not speak Malay fluently, then I encourage you to take up this lesson where you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. You can participate from anywhere in the world, no commuting necessary. If you are interested to participate, please go to this link. I'm looking forward to teach and practice Malay with you. See you soon. And until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.